The healing powers of apple cider vinegar. Discover the science behind this time-tested remedy. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. ACV contains acetic acid, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties, as well as other beneficial compounds like antioxidants and enzymes. Here are some of the many potential health benefits of using ACV as a natural remedy. Digestive issues. ACV can help with a variety of digestive issues, including indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Drinking a mixture of ACV and water before meals can help stimulate digestive enzymes and improve gut health. To use ACV for digestive issues, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a glass of water and drink it before meals. Weight loss. ACV has been shown to help with weight loss by suppressing appetite and reducing calorie intake. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can help prevent cravings and overeating. To use ACV for weight loss, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a glass of water and drink it before meals. Sore throat. ACV can be used as a natural remedy for sore throat. Mix ACV with warm water and gargle for a few seconds before spitting it out. This can help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. Repeat several times a day as needed. Skin issues. ACV has antibacterial properties that can help treat skin issues like acne and eczema. It can be used as a toner by diluting ACV with water and applying it to the face with a cotton ball. For eczema, you can try mixing ACV with coconut oil and applying it to the affected area to soothe inflammation. Hair care. ACV can be used as a natural hair conditioner. Mix ACV with water and apply to the hair after shampooing, then rinse thoroughly. This can help improve the shine and texture of the hair. You can also try adding a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary for additional benefits. Allergies. ACV can help with allergies by reducing inflammation and improving the immune system. Mix ACV with honey and water and drink it daily to help alleviate allergy symptoms. Some people find it helpful to drink it in the morning to help boost their immune system for the day. Lowering blood sugar. ACV can help lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the rate at which food is absorbed in the intestines. It may be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. To use ACV for blood sugar control, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with water and drink it before meals. Lowering cholesterol. ACV may help lower cholesterol levels by reducing triglycerides and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. This can help improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. To use ACV for cholesterol control, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with water and drink it daily. Fighting infections. ACV has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections caused by bacteria and fungi. It can be used topically to treat skin infections or taken internally to help boost the immune system. To use ACV for fighting infections, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with water and drink it daily. While ACV has many potential health benefits, it is important to use it in moderation. Drinking too much ACV can cause stomach upset and erosion of tooth enamel. It is also important to choose raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother, the cloudy sediment at the bottom of the bottle, as this contains the beneficial compounds. As with any natural remedy, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting to use ACV, especially if you have an underlying medical condition or are taking medication. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries and has many potential health benefits. From improving digestion and regulating blood sugar levels to supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation, ACV is a versatile ingredient that can be used in various ways to support overall health and wellness. However, it is important to choose the right type of ACV and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine. If you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.